4. Writing. Please, if you haven't watched this video, 4c-1 vocabulary, then watch it first and then continue this writing video. A. Discuss. Do you think cookbooks are useful? Cookbooks are books that teach you how to prepare different dishes. Do you think they are useful, helpful, they can help you? Yes, why yes, no, why not? I think that they are useful. From them, you can learn different recipes. The ingredients you need, the food you need, and the instructions you need to follow to prepare a certain dish. And these recipes are written by professional chefs, not by anybody. Do you exchange recipes with friends? When you exchange, you give and take. You give recipes and you take recipes. From friends? Well, I do that with my mother. She teaches me how to prepare traditional dishes like معصوب, معمول, and I tell her how to make her recipes healthier using the nutrition facts I pull from the internet. I tell her which oil is healthier and how she can make her delicious recipes better for our bodies. B. Read the recipe below and put the pictures in the correct order. In the correct order means which one happens first, 1 to 8. In here we will learn how to prepare biscuit chocolate roll. And this amount serves 8. 8 people can eat this. Enough for 8 people. Here are the ingredients. Ingredients means the food you will need to prepare this. You will need 300 grams of biscuits, 100 grams of butter, 6, this TBSP means tablespoons of sugar. You need 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Unsweetened means no sugar added to this cocoa powder. It doesn't taste sweet. 2 fresh eggs. The instructions, the steps you need to follow. 1. You melt the butter. Oh, this one's obvious. Here we are melting the butter, but be careful not to cook it, just a little bit, just enough to make it melt. 2. Put the butter in a bowl, add the sugar and the eggs and whisk. This is step 2. We've added the butter in this bowl, we've added the eggs, and then we will use the whisk to whisk the butter, eggs and sugar. 3. You slowly add the cocoa powder and whisk some more. Here, we're adding the cocoa powder and here is the whisk. We will use it after we add the cocoa powder. Then you will put the biscuits in a large bowl and break them with the back of a spoon. Here, the biscuits have been added to the bowl. This is a different bowl, not the same one. And we are crushing them, breaking them with the back of a spoon. 5. Pour the mixture. You know the word mix. Mix is when you combine 2 things together. Mixture is a noun. The combination of more than one thing. Into the bowl with the biscuit crumbs, the broken biscuits, and stir. Keep moving until it is mixed well. That's step 5. We have combined this bowl and this bowl together and stir. Keep moving with a spoon. 6. Place this mixture, put it on a piece of aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. You can also call it tin foil. Tin foil is metal that is as thin as paper, very thin metal, and shape it, make it look like a roll, like a tube. give it the shape of a roll. We are doing that here. That's step 6. 7. You wrap it up. When you wrap something up, you fully cover it in the aluminum foil and you put it in the fridge, in the refrigerator, for a couple of hours. Couple means 2. Put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Here, we wrapped it up. We wrapped up the roll. Here. The last step, you slice. When you slice something, you cut it into thin, flat pieces. Slice your biscuit chocolate roll and serve it with coffee or tea. C. Write a recipe. This time, we will write our own recipe for one of our favorite dishes. And one of my favorite is shakshuka, and this is enough for 2. When writing a recipe, don't forget to write the name of the recipe. We did that. You have to mention how many people it is for. As an example, serves 2. We did that. This is enough for 2. Write the ingredients, the food you need. We will get to that. And you have to give clear instructions for people to follow using the imperative. Imperative means you give orders. Melt the butter. Put the butter. Put the biscuits. Pour the mixture. You start with a verb. Put. Pour. Place. Wrap. Now here are the ingredients we need. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. 1 onion. 2 cloves of garlic. Cloves of garlic. You need 2 of these. 2 tomatoes. 1 green pepper. Some salt, pepper, and cumin. Cumin. The instructions, the procedures. 1. Heat a medium-sized pan. When you heat it, you make it hot, with 2 tablespoons of oil in it. That's step 1. 2. Chop an onion into very small pieces and add to the hot pan. Chopped onions. 3. Add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. We're adding the garlic here. 4. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and 1 chopped green pepper to the onion. Once the onions turned golden color, we're adding the tomatoes and pepper here. When do we do that? If the color of the onions turned gold, looked like gold. 5. You stir. You keep moving for 5 minutes. Add some salt, pepper, and cumin. Here, we're adding that. Add 2 unscrambled eggs. Unscrambled means the egg yolk and egg white are not mixed. On top of the sauce, and then you serve the shakshuka along with bread. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with friends. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. Goodbye.